Yeah, this is for you, nigga. I, 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 wall, homie, y'all murder you. You try to battle me, no one even heard of you. Tryna fuck with my nigga Sally and Sue too. Oh shit, yeah, we freehand you like a Bluetooth. Yeah, confused, dude. You got shit fucked up. If you keep on running your mouth, you'll get fucked up. Yeah, we coming with a stack, so better back up. Yeah, 9 milli make it look silly, smacked up. Yeah. You say I'm a cracker, you say I'm white boy, but nigga, I back you up when it came down to real shit, nigga. But you ain't about no shit. Hey, I give no shits, no fucks, not even two. 2 fucks, 3 fucks, 4 for you. None, nigga. You done, nigga. I'm having fun, nigga. On the floor. This gay ass beat, nigga, what do you know? But I'm still killing you. Still killing your crew. You know I'm gonna come through with my truth. Ooh, yeah, the 8-1 rockin' the blue. Motherfucker, hater on you. Hater on you. Motherfucking nigga play it on you. What? Why they blame it on you? Cause they blame it on me. Motherfucker, cause I'm killing all the bees. Yeah, I'm coming with the treat. Trick or treat, nigga, yeah, not Halloween. Scary ass nigga, but what is it seem? What does it seem to be when I'm killing the beam? 9 milli. Oh shit, free Willy. Black and white, make your girl wanna be with. Not me, but a big dick. Yeah, give that bitch a big dick. Oh shit, yeah, go ahead when I hit this. Admit this, nigga. Not afraid to spit this. Yeah. Killing AWOL on the microphone. Nigga, I'll kill that nigga all night long. Yeah, from the sun out till it's dark. Motherfucker started the fire, but I'm gonna finish it with just a spark. Spark in the light. Go ahead, nigga. You don't wanna fucking fight. Fight for your right to party. I kick it with my nigga smoking and drinking Bacardi. Yeah, I'm retarded, but I don't give a fuck, nigga. My green's 40. Hey, my green's falling off the tree, then the BB ballin'. Money paper chaser, nigga. I treat you like a motherfucking eraser, and erase you from the crew, erase you from my life, nigga. What does it do? Yeah. Hey, my raps are a little slurry. I don't give a fuck, your vision a little blurry. Yeah, nigga, looking a little scary. Yeah, scary on the mic. So don't come back and try to fight. Nigga, slurring and making up. Motherfucker, yeah, but you ain't making up. What you said and can't take it back. That's a fact, nigga. You whack. I crack you with a bat. Nah, motherfucker, I'ma crack you with that. What? Yeah, the left to the right. Nigga, I'ma beat your ass up all night. Not some gay ass shit. Motherfucker, some play ass shit. I'ma whoop that ass. Motherfucker, nigga, better bring your cash, cause it don't ain't for free. No, it don't. No, it ain't for free. No, it's not. Nope. It ain't for free.